Hi guys, this is CA Jai Gupta. As promised, I am bringing here my first video, and we have started this initiative with the first paper of CA curriculum, that is financial reporting. I will not waste your time, and let's straight away jump to for what I have came to teach you. So let's start. As promised, I have compiled some study materials and as well as some concept notes for you, and let's go ahead with that. Let me share my screen. So you can find the link in the description box, and okay, I'm gonna present two chapters of FR in front of you as per ICI module. Okay, so first chapter was conceptual framework for financial reporting. In that chapter, I believe this is very small chapter, but people usually do is ignore small chapters and just focus on 2 3 big chapters: Ind AS 115, business combination, financial instrument, etc. So you don't have to do that. You have to prepare each and everything, but in a limited manner also. So in the ICI module, it's like a 50-page chapter, but I have compiled only 2 to 3 pages summary for you. You just have to go through this summary. You just have to go through these 2 pages. And in this chapter, the important concept is capital maintenance, one is, and second thing is this realizable value. So you just have to go through these 2 pages, and after that, I have also compiled questions for this chapter. Only 3 to 4 questions are relevant from this chapter, rest you can skip. So in this way, your first chapter will be completed. And I believe this is the very easy chapter, and you don't have to refer to any video or any other questions for this chapter. So you can just complete this chapter in half an hour to 1 hour max. This is about the first chapter as per ICI module. And let's come to second chapter. In second chapter, there are 3 units. So basically 3 Ind AS. One is Ind AS 34, second is Ind AS 7, and third is Ind AS 1. So let's start with Ind AS 1. In Ind AS 1 also, I have prepared a 4 pager concept notes for you. You just have to go through that and nothing else. So these are the things, like you can check this out. Okay, and in the same pattern, I have compiled the questions at the end. See, you can see that. So in these 12 pages, your whole Ind AS 1 will be completed along with concepts, along with questions. Apart from these questions, I believe nothing else has to be done. Okay, so next is Ind AS 34, same pattern, same thing, and Ind AS 7. So I believe up in these 4 topics which I have covered in this video, only Ind AS 7 is somehow comparatively complicated or difficult, or I can say lengthy, not difficult. And for this also, if you want to refer, if first thing is, let's try not to refer any videos for that, because Ind AS 7 is like normal cash flow. You have done it in intermediate, you have done it in 12th class, BCom, whatever you have done. So let's try not to refer any video for that, because it will waste your time. Otherwise, if you still want, because any of your concept is not clear, so you can refer CA Jai Chawla's video for that. It will be a 3 hour video approx. So I will suggest, it's my personal suggestion, just go through these notes and refer the videos only if you are not able to understand any concept. Okay, so it's just a 5 page notes. You can easily crack through that and start doing questions which are at the end. So this is all about the 4 PDFs I have I will give you for these two chapters. So these two chapters of FR will be covered. So I believe in one day itself you can complete all the two chapters, all the four topics in these two chapters, and we'll stay tuned for more in further videos. In further videos, like I am just telling you for your reference that third chapter will be Ind AS 115, and for that I will provide you video links also, because it's a lengthy chapter and I can't provide you the concept notes only. So this will be mix of concept notes, videos and questions as well. So guys, start your preparations. I believe in one day itself you can complete all the four topics. And if you have any doubt in the questions or any topic or in anything you want that you want my guidance in, you want my mentorship in, so you can just drop it out in the comment box and I will try to resolve it as soon as possible. And one more thing that I want to say is it's kind of a disclaimer that I have not prepared any of these things. These are not my first copy drafts. I have just compiled it for your reference. And I believe that if you are not able to clear in the previous attempts, you can just do these things and it will cover approx 80 to 90% of your syllabus. And I have covered all the important questions and whatever necessary for you. And for questions, I can tell you one technique, because time is very limited for us, and we can't solve each and every question practically on the notebook. So what you have to do is you have to just read all the questions. I will not say scroll down to the questions. You have to read it carefully and thought the answers in your mind, and then check the answer. If your answer is matching with whatever you have thought about, then okay, don't read that question again and again. Let's skip to another question. And say in some question you are thinking somewhat different and the answer is somewhat different, or you are facing difficulty, like you can't you are not able to solve that answer without looking at actual solution, then mark that question for second revision. When you will revise it second time or at the time of exams, you just have to again go through these questions which you have marked in this preparation. You don't have to repeat all the 10 questions or 12 questions again and again. In that, like let's suppose there are 10 questions in a topic, so you will mark just 3 or 4. So it will reduce half of your time and half of your syllabus at the time of preparation. So guys, all the very best. Do study hard. I hope this video will help you somehow, and all the best. Thank you so much. I will not waste much of your time. So bye bye.